Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss JAM 2024 question number 60. Here function is defined by fx equal to sine inverse x. We need to find the Taylor series expansion of x square, and then we need to find the coefficient of x to the power 6, and then so on. You can calculate by putting the value of a6. So first we need to how to calculate a6. In general, the student must know about the expansion series of sine inverse x. In case you don't know, let's find out via Taylor. So how we find it? Firstly, we find the derivatives. Sine inverse x, right? F dash x will be what? 1 by root 1 minus x square, right? It can be written as 1 minus x square to the power minus 1 by 2. F double dash x we find. It will be minus 1 by 2 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2, inner term differentiation y product chain rule, minus 2x. Solving this further, we get x 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2. Similarly, f triple dash of x will be what? It will be 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2. Differentiation of x is 1, so multiplied with 1, plus first into differentiation of second will be minus 3 by 2 1 minus x square to the power minus 5 by 2. Inner term differentiation will be again minus 2 of x. Solving this, we get 1 minus x square to the power minus 3 by 2 plus, and this 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. It will be plus 3x square 1 minus x square to the power minus 5 by 2. Indirectly, if we see, or you can just write this down like this only. Now we find f fourth derivative with respect to x. It will be minus 3 by 2 1 minus x square to the power minus 5 by 2 minus 2x, right? Then we have 6x 1 minus x square to the power minus 5 by 2. Then minus 5 by 2 into 3x square 1 minus x square to the power minus 7 by 2. Inner term differentiation will be minus 2 of x. This we got. Now, what is the Taylor expansion of f of x at centered at 0, given by the formula f of 0 plus x f dash 0 plus x square f double dash 0 divided by 2 factorial plus x cube f triple dash 0 divided by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 4 f 3/4 derivative up to 0 divided by 4 factorial and x to the power 5 fifth derivative 3/4 fifth with respect to 0 divided by 5 factorial. Now we need to find the Taylor expansion for fx square, right? So fx square compiles what? Fx square compiles fx into fx. So f of 0 is what? We can find the value of f of 0. Hereby we get f of 0 as 0. Hereby we get f dash 0 as 1. Hereby we get f double dash 0 as 0. Hereby we get f triple dash 0 as what? Triple dash 0 will be 1. Now again f 1, 2, 3, 4th. With respect to 0, this gets 0 and this gets 0. This also gets 0. So we again get 0. Right. So you can observe the pattern. Similarly, f fifth derivative, third, fourth, fifth will somewhat, or you just neglect this first. Neglect this. No need to find. Now let's come across the point. We have the expansion of f of x as f of 0 was 0. So it will be x plus 0 plus x cube divided by 6. And x to the power 5 we have didn't find, so you can find at least, because it will be somewhat 3 by 40 x to the power 5. If you calculate, it will come out to be like this only, right? So 3 by 40 x to the power 5, because x4 term was 0 already, as I said. Let me mention you. x4 into f fourth derivative was 0, 0. So it will be 0, right? 0 plus this will just after, if you do further derivative, you will get I think it will be 9x to the power 4, 3 by 40, right? 3 by 40 x to the power 5. This will be your simplification. Now second f dash x fx, again we write this same term, x plus x cube by 6 plus 340 x to the power 5. We need to find the coefficient of x to the power 6 from this expansion, right? If we multiply from first term of this expression with x to the power 5 of this expression, then only we get x to the power 6 or not? Then only we get. So we get 3 by 40 into x to the power 6 and the quotient will be 3 by 40, right? Then x cube multiplied with x cube by 6 will provide us the coefficient of x to the power 6, so it will be 1 by 36, right? Then 3 by 40 x to the power multiplied with x, it will provide the coefficient of x to the power 6, it will be 3 by 40 x to the power 6, coefficient will be 3 by 40. Now if you further conclude x to the power 7, you won't get x to the power 6 terms after multiplication, right? So the only terms of the coefficient will be this. Now if we take LCM, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 360. So 49 it will be 27 plus 36 10 plus 49 it will be 27. So 27 plus 27 gives out to be as 54, right? 54, yes, 54 plus 10 gives you 64. So your final answer will be like 64 by 360. Now since it is asking us the coefficient of 9a to the power 6, right? So 9 into, what is the value of a to the power 6? 64 into 360. So we get 9 into 64 by 360. 9 40s, 4 10s, 4 1s 4, or simply can you cancel out by 8 also. 8 5s 40, 8 8s 64. Final answer by dividing you get 5 1s 5, 3.6, 1.60 I think, right? 1.60 is your final answer. I hope you got my point. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box.